Good morning, everyone. So, in previous lecture of organic chemistry, we discussed about the classification of organic compounds. Today, we are going to start our lecture with functional group in organic chemistry. Functional group are the atoms or group of atoms which determine the chemical properties of a compound. So, functional group is defined as the atoms or a group of atoms present in a molecule which determines its chemical properties. Such atoms or group of atoms which determine the chemical properties of the organic compounds are known as functional groups. The compounds which contain functional group are known as derivatives of hydrocarbons. Derivatives of hydrocarbons. In our previous lecture, we discussed about hydrocarbons. The compounds which are made up of only carbon and hydrogen are known as hydrocarbons. This time we use the word derivatives. Simply, for example, CH3CH3. This compound is only made up of carbon and hydrogen. So, this compound is hydrocarbon. But if we substitute its one hydrogen with some other group like chlorine, if we substitute one hydrogen with chlorine, then this became the derivative of hydrocarbon. हाइड्रोकार्बन से एक एटम को, दो एटम को या नंबर ऑफ एटम्स को रिप्लेस करके जब हम दूसरे ग्रुप्स को अटैच कर देते हैं तो उनको हम कहते हैं डेरिवेटिव्स ऑफ हाइड्रोकार्बन. नाउ functional groups, the first functional group is double bond. Represented as with two lines. Second one, triple bond. Third one, halogens, represented with symbol X. And this X represents halogen, which is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Next one, hydroxy or alcohol. We use OH for this. Next one, thiol. Thio word represents sulfur. Thio words represent sulfur here. Mercapto. Thiol is also known as mercapto, and in the place of oxygen we use sulfur here. Sixth one, ether, also called divalent oxygen. Also called divalent oxygen. This time oxygen going to form two bonds with the alkyl chain. Next is thioether. Thioether also known as sulfides. Thioether also called sulfide or divalent sulfur. Compound is represented like this. Next compound is aldehyde. Aldehyde is CHO, C double bond O and single bond H. This one is aldehyde functional group. Next is thioaldehyde. Thioaldehyde simply means in place of oxygen write sulfur. Thio word represents sulfur. Next one is ketone. Two bonds are attached with the alkyl chain and two bonds are attached with the oxygen. Next is thioketone. Thioketone is carbon double bonded carbon with two bonds with sulfur. Next one is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid simply we represent COOH. On expand we get C double bond O, single bond OH. Carboxylic acid. Next one is acid chloride. Next one is acid chloride, and acid chloride is represented like C double bond O, Cl. This one also called as acyl chloride. Acyl chloride. So कुछ functional group हमने discuss किए. Let us revise them. Double bond is represented with double lines. Triple bond represented with three lines, three bonds. Halogen with X. Hydroxy alcohol with OH. Thiol and mercapto with SH. Ether is going to be represented with single bond oxygen, single bond. Thioether, also called as sulfides, also called as divalent sulfur, and represented with sulfur, both sides single bonded. Aldehyde is CHO, thioaldehyde is CSH, ketone is CO, thioketone is CS, carboxylic acid is COOH, acid chloride is COCl, also known as acyl chloride. Next functional group is 14th, acid anhydride. Acid anhydride, and this functional group is C double bond O, single bond O, and C double bond O, single bond. Both side alkyl chains are going to be attached. Next functional group is ester. Ester is represented with C single bond O, and single bond R. This position is always occupied with alkyl chain, whereas these two positions are also occupied with hydrogen. Next functional group is acid amide. Next functional group is acid amide. Simply C double bond O NH2. This group represents acid amide. Next one is sulfonic acid. SO3H. This one is sulfonic acid. Next one is primary amine called amino, and represented with single bond NH2. Two bonds are satisfied with hydrogen and one bond is satisfied with the alkyl chain. Secondary amine, imino. Secondary amine means दो बॉन्ड alkyl chain के साथ बनेंगे और एक बॉन्ड हाइड्रोजन के साथ ही रहेगा. Tertiary amine is tertiary nitrogen atom. Three single bonds with nitrogen. Next one is cyanide functional group. Cyanide functional group is also known as cyano, nitrile, and represented with carbon triple bond nitrogen. Cyanide, CN, also known as cyano, also known as nitrile. Isocyanide functional group, also called isocyano and isonitrile. And this one represent N triple bond C. One bond is coordinate here in between carbon and nitrogen. Next functional group is nitro. Nitro is NO2. And last one is nitrite. ONO. Last one is nitrite. Above one is nitro. Isocyanide is NC. Cyanide is CN. There are some functional groups which have two attacking atoms. Like साइनाइड के पास बॉन्ड कार्बन से भी बन सकता है और नाइट्रोजन से भी बन सकता है. नाइट्रो के पास जो अटैचमेंट है वो नाइट्रोजन से भी हो सकती है और नाइट्राइट के केस में ऑक्सीजन से भी हो सकती है. दे हैव सेम, दीज फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स हैव सेम मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला. सिंपली मीन्स these functional groups contain same number of atoms or similar atoms, but the point of attachment with the chain is different. So such functional groups are called ambident functional group. Such functional groups are known as ambident functional group. Simply, those functional groups which have more than one attaching atoms are called, attaching और attacking भी हम लिख सकते हैं, atoms are called ambident functional group. Ambident functional group. For example, CN, NC, NO2, ONO. One carbon, one nitrogen. Another one is one nitrogen, one carbon. In this compound, one nitrogen, two oxygen, and another one, two oxygen, one nitrogen. So the above two have same molecular formula, but point of attachment is different. In one is carbon, another one is nitrogen. In this, the molecular formula is same, but point of attachment is different there. So today we are going to discuss initially about the functional groups. We discussed 24 functional groups. You have to remember these functional groups. So let us revise with this. Double bond is double bond. Triple bond with represented with 3 lines in triple bond. Halogens represented as X. In our whole chemistry, we represent halogen with this letter X. Hydroxy represents OH. Thiol represents SH. Ether represents single bond O, single bond. Thioether with sulfur. Aldehyde is CHO. Thioaldehyde with CSH. Ketone with C double bond O. Thioketone with C double bond S. Carboxylic acid with COOH. Expanded form is like this. Acid chloride is COCl, acyl chloride. Acid anhydride is COO, Ester is COOR. Acid amide is CONH2. Sulfonic acid is SO3H. Primary amines, when the nitrogen forms only single bond with the alkyl chain, called primary amines. Secondary amines means when nitrogen forms two bond with another alkyl chain and one bond with hydrogen. So this nitrogen called secondary nitrogen. That's why we called here secondary amine. Here nitrogen, all the three form 3 bonds with the alkyl chain. So this one called as tertiary amine. Cyanide represented with CN. Isocyanide represented with NC. Nitro represented with NO2, nitrite represented with ONO. Ambident functional group those functional groups which have more than one attaching atoms are called ambident functional group. Simply जिनके पास दो या दो से ज़्यादा अटैचिंग साइट्स हों उनको हम कहते हैं ambident functional groups. So in today's video you have to learn with these functional groups. If you have any doubt then ask. पढ़ के आइए इनको, इनके बाद हम स्टार्ट करेंगे अबाउट अवर homologous series and nomenclature etc. So thank you and have a great day ahead.